Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a cat. Let's start off by drawing a pointed arch for an ear, followed by a horizontal curved line underneath, and another pointed arch on the right for the other ear. Next, draw a line that comes down from the left end of the first ear and curves to the right, as well as a line from the other end that comes down and curves to the left. For the back, draw a long line that goes down at an angle, curves to the right, and curves down like so. Then, add a big C shape underneath for the hind leg. And for the foot, a small nub underneath that extends to the right and turns up. For the front, draw a line coming down from the head that bends slightly to the right, followed by a line going down the middle that bends slightly to the left, a similar but shorter line to the left of it, and a small nub at the bottom for the paw. Then, extend the left line down with a nub to the other paw. For the belly, draw a line between the legs that curves like so, and add another small nub underneath to the other hind leg. For the tail, draw a big S shape that extends from the open area in the back, curves back in, and follows the S shape going back down. Lastly, for the face, color in a small upside-down triangle on the head for the nose, with an upside-down Y shape with curved arms for the mouth. Finally, add 2 dots for the eyes. And now you've got a cat.